Welcome to Accent Master. Today we're going to learn how to pronounce this very famous Italian drink that you're supposed to drink in the morning, by the way, if you go to Italy. Anyways, this is pronounced cappuccino. 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 Okay, now for an interesting fun fact, the meaning of the word, it literally means a small hood. And in fact, specifically, it comes from the name of the Capuchin monks or friars within Catholicism. And the reason why it's called like that is because once you add milk onto the coffee, then the brown hue that you get in your coffee or your coffee drink is reminiscent of the color of the robes or habit worn by the Capuchin monks, which is where the word comes from. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe for more, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask.